Some lovely swags. A little snow covered, but still pretty. Beautiful night out. Hey bud, a little bit of snow down. Life is good. A little bit of junkie back there, but what are you gonna do? The trees are nice. Beautiful night. Don't see any animals around. Not much in the way of tracks either, eh, guys? Nice fresh snowfall. Turn that light down. There we go. I love this new headlight. That's wild. Like, to the naked eye, you can barely see it. It's enough to walk with. But to the camera, that's almost blinding. That's crazy. That is crazy. The camera is so much more sensitive to red light.